Across the U.S., aging water pipes are putting homes and multifamily properties at serious risk of leaks, low water pressure, and poor water quality that could create expensive and catastrophic damage to a home. One company has been dedicated to solving these issues for homeowners for over 30 years.
The reason why you'd want to repipe your home is because pipes age over time. A home that has a galvanized iron pipe, low water pressure or rusty water coming out of the pipes, or you're in the shower and somebody flushes the toilet and you get scalded, those types of things.
There could be health risks from rusty water. It could be financial risks that they're going to face because of unexpected damage and leaks. So what we try to do is make sure that they are covered.
Water by nature is a corroder and an eroder, and it just wears down pipes. The housing stock in America continues to age.
Those rusty pipes, when you replace them, you end up with good water pressure, clean, clear water. You can take a shower and rinse the shampoo out of your hair and you don't get scalded. So you get peace of mind there. Copper, CPVC, polybutylene, these types of pipes, they don't corrode on the inside, but what they do is they get brittle and they leak over time, causing either catastrophic leaks or slow leaks that cause damage in your home. And nobody wants to be living with the fear of having leaks in their home. And that's one of the greatest benefits of repiping, is you eliminate those old corroded or leaky pipes so that you have peace of mind. Basically, you get a worry-free plumbing system.
Most homeowners don't think too much about the water that comes into their house, but water is crucial for life.
About a third of the people know that the problem is coming, so they do it proactively. Instead of waiting for that catastrophic event or problem, they proactively repipe. They do it on their schedule rather than waiting for the problem.
We have many more houses 20 plus years old than we've ever had. That's only going to continue. And we want to make sure that everybody has access to clean flowing water in their pipes.
They just need to turn to us because we're a complete solution for them. Taking care of those pipes is going to prioritize your family's health and well-being.
That is the quality of trust and attention to detail that the contractor has. We do what we say and we say what we do. That's been in our culture since we started the company, and it's really fulfilling for me to see this infiltrated across the company, where you see people in every phase and aspect of the company embodying that way of operating.
So we believe the need for repiping is only going to grow in America.
Repipe Specialists. With over 75,000 homes repiped across the U.S., they've perfected their one-stop repipe process, fully repiping homes in just 1 to 2 days. Their expert team ensures top-quality installations with minimal disruption, giving homeowners peace of mind and long-lasting results.
At Repipe Specialists, we've assembled the greatest body of knowledge around repiping in America today.
The quality installation and choosing the right materials and the long-lasting benefits that you get from that. Typically, we are in and out in just 1 to 2 days installing the new pipes. We also offer an option to patch the walls. We've really perfected the one-stop repipe process.
And every single day, they have to do the work of repiping, but at the same time, they have to problem solve, because we have a water on every night, homeowner doesn't have to move out guarantee. So there's no plan B. You have to get that water on and you have to problem solve all day, every day. The work that these guys do is nothing short of incredible, and they do it with a great attitude day in and day out.
We're well positioned to tackle any kind of problem in the plumbing space related to repiping systems and piping systems in general, while still being able to say yes to all of our customers' other plumbing needs.
The men and the women who do all the repiping and the drywall finishing work every day in people's homes are the bloodline of our company. They do this job every single day. They only get better at it. They are highly skilled. Repiping really is an art. It's a very specialized thing. Every house is different, and you have to be able to adapt and learn how to handle all kinds of different situations and all kinds of different customers. And we want to make sure that we give the best service and the best experience for every customer and every type of home. And then on the other side of it, once a project's completed, we have our full internal team that's going to be supporting this customer. Repiped, over 70,000 homes over the past 30 years and have thousands and thousands and thousands of happy customers. at the end of the day, at the end of the project, they're going to be very happy. And so assurances are made. So they're highly skilled in communicating that, and now we send the team out, the experienced repipers and the patchers, to provide the service that we promised. And so that's really important that we, again, maintain that tight control over every step of this process, because we have to deliver what we say we're going to. And thank goodness, all these guys are, again, very highly trained and very skilled.
We want to ensure that if you've got challenges with your water, we're there to help. We want to make sure we're there when our customer needs us to come in and ensure that they have the water flow they need to take care of their family and live life the way they want.